Oh look, another home for sale. Almost. This one's gonna be our next fix and list. Let me get this camera turned around and we'll show you around all the things we're gonna do to this place before we put it on the market. We have a beautiful one-car garage and unit townhome. We're going to soft wash the exterior and make sure we don't have any rotten wood, make sure everything is caulked, clean up the landscape a little bit. Around this door frame needs some paint. We got some chipping, peeling paint on here, and down in that corner there we got a little bit of rotten wood. I want to get the landscape cleaned off the house about 12 to 18 inches. That'll help clean up that as well. And let's take a look around the side here. So again, just the soft wash will help clean everything up here. Great backyard. Neighboring dogs barking at me. And we have a walkout basement with the AC and gas. Let's head inside and take a look in there. We enter into the two-story foyer. Everything in here needs a good patch and paint. We've got LVP flooring. Half bath in here. We're going to leave the LVP, replace the carpets, and repaint and repaint all of these walls. We're also going to replace all of the smoke detectors so they are up to code. And we have laundry in here, and utility room. So we have gas furnace, gas hot water, or yeah, water heater. It's not hot when it goes in there. And then we also have a gas fireplace. There's your walkout out back. Let's head upstairs. New carpeting on the steps. Patch and paint all of the tape seams. So we got one tape seam right there. And this bath, the toilet is running, so we just need to replace the guts in there. That will stop that. Overall, just a good paint job throughout here. And we do need to get a new dishwasher. Cabinets are in great shape. Might even consider dropping some LVP in here to match what's already downstairs. We have another gas fireplace here. And if the next owner wants to put a deck on, it is already set up for that. Let's head on up. And bedroom 1 is getting a fresh paint job, new smoke alarm, and new flooring. Same thing with bedroom 2. New flooring, new smoke alarm, fresh paint, hall bath. Everything looks great in here. We do need to get a drain stopper and recalk the corners, make sure all the grout lines are good. Recalk in there. And into the master, new flooring, new paint, new smoke alarm, walk-in closet, and the master bath. Going to recalk all the corners and just clean that out real good. Dual vanity, and we need drain stoppers in both of those as well. But that should do it. So fresh paint job throughout, new flooring throughout. And that's going to do it here for us today in Hagerstown. Taking a look at this next fixing list. We got the measurements for everything, and I'm just going to get my crews up here to confirm everything, make sure they got their measurements, their pricings, and then we're starting the fixing list here. This thing might be ready in about 30 days, but it might be 60 days. So if you know somebody looking for a great townhome in Hagerstown, drop a comment. I'd love to hear from you.